Hello and welcome to Whizz Kids Online. My name is Sophie and today we're going to be making a periscope. Now periscopes are observation instruments that let us see above, around and through objects. So for example, if I crouch down behind this desk, I can still see my cameraman Carl. Ah, there you are, Carl. So how does this work? Well, inside my periscope, I have two mirrors. So when I'm pointing my periscope towards cameraman, the light from the other side of the room hits the mirror that's on the inside here. That bounces the light down to my second mirror here, and then it brings it out to my eye. Now the periscope that we're making today is very simple, but there are examples of more complex periscopes, and they use a system of prisms, mirrors, and lenses to direct the light through the tube. And you can find examples of more complex periscopes in submarines. If you'd like more information about how prisms and mirrors work, take a look at the links in the caption. But let's get started on making ours. Okay, to make your periscope, you'll need some cardboard, a ruler, two mirrors, pencil, a Stanley knife and scissors, a ruler or a popsicle stick, tape, hot glue gun, and some paint or googly eyes or feathers or anything that you would like to decorate your periscope with. Now, if you're using a hot glue gun and a Stanley knife, make sure that you've got some grown-ups to help you. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is get a piece of cardboard and rule 4 sections. Now, you want each section to be 1/2 centimetre wider than your mirror. And once you've ruled it out, you then want to cut out the top right section and the bottom left section in the 3rd quadrant. Now, the way to figure out how big those sections are is to take your mirror, and what you're going to do is you're going to angle it across like so on a 45-degree angle. So you make a mark there from that bottom corner to that top corner, and then you take that measurement and that shows you where you can cut it out. Okay, once you've got that measurement, you grab your popsicle stick or your ruler and you make some grooves along your lines. So this makes it easier for you to fold it in. So you make lines there, and then you're going to fold your periscope up like that, and you can glue or tape here. Now, the hot glue gun is much better than tape, but I'm going to tape it for now. I have to cut it. Okay, once you've taped that into place, we're going to make the mounts for the mirrors. So, you take your mirror and you take a small bit of cardboard. Now you want your mount to be 1 centimetre wider on each side of your mirror. And here I've made a little a fold line here to help me know where I should make that fold. So I'm going to score that fold line with my popsicle stick. I'm not getting a very straight line there, so I'm going to use my ruler to help me. And I'm going to bend that back this way. Okay, now I'm going to add some glue to this part here. And then I'm going to stick my mirror on. So you repeat that process for your other mirror, which I've already made here. Okay, the next step is to insert your mirrors into the body of your periscope. So you get your periscope and you want the mirror to be angled on the inside at 45 degrees, like so. But it's going to sit from there to there, across that way. So you add some glue to the sides here, and then you slide it on in. Okay, and then you repeat for the other side. So you slide it on into that position. Once you've got them in place, the next thing that we're going to do is make these sections, our viewfinders. So you get a bit of cardboard and you cut it so it's 15 centimeters long, and the width will depend on the size of your mirror. So you want each section to be 1 centimeter wider than your mirror. So again, 4 sections, 15 centimeters long. This part here will be the same size as the width of the main part of your periscope. So again, once you've got that all set out, you get your instrument and you score some lines, just to make it easier to fold. Okay. Then once you've got your fold guides, you just fold it in. And you can glue or tape it into place. Okay, so then you would repeat that for the other side. So you have 2 that look exactly the same. All right, now we can assemble all of the parts of our periscope. So before you commit to gluing it, just make sure that it all fits together. So what you want to do is grab one section and slide it over the end here. And there we go, that looks okay. And let's try with the other side. Yep, that looks okay. So what you want to do is get your glue and add some glue onto the inside parts here. And now we're going to repeat for the other side. And there you go. You've got your periscope. You put all your 3 parts together. So if you look through, you should be able to see on the other side of the room. So at this stage, you can decorate your periscope. So I chose to paint mine and add some dots, but you can put feathers or beads or sequins or whatever you like onto yours. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have fun building and playing with your periscope. I'll see you next time.